Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new, you may as well hit subscribe. Today's video, I thought I would share with you my exercises that I do every single day to strengthen my calves and my ankles for turns, for point work, and for jumps. There will be no jumping in today's video. I can't jump in this room because it's at the top of the house, and B, I will do a separate video relating to jumps. So before we begin, you will need one yoga block or a stair in your house. You can do this on any kind of ledge where your heel just comes off of the top of the ledge. So without further ado, let's begin. So first things first, we're going to be doing normal calf raises with our heels off of the yoga block. I always do this facing a wall or at the countertop. I do this when I'm brushing my teeth or if I'm just at the countertop hanging out. And this is something that's also super portable that you can take to dance competitions or take traveling. As long as you have a ledge, totally easy to do that with. So let's begin with our heels off of the yoga blocks. And we're just going to be doing 8 rises nice and slow, and then 16 a little bit quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8. We do 8 and lower, 7 and lower, 6 and lower, 5 and lower, 4 belly button to spine, and 3 pulling up the knees. All 10 toes are on the block, and 1, let's speed it up. We do 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do it again. 8. The second time, it's the worst. 7. And we do 6. Ankle in line with our first and second toe. 5. And we do 4. And lower. 3. And lower. 2. And lower. Last one. 16. Quick. Here we go. Almost there. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Try to hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I know that's super tiring on the calves. If that's too much, I'll absolutely and obviously just stop halfway through. This is also an exercise that I always do in my bar fitness class on Tuesday evening. But yeah, that one's really difficult. Good, give it a nice good stretch. Next, we're going to be doing one-footed rises. So again, we're going to be doing a plie calf raise, just in parallel with one ankle attached to the other, lifting our heel up, keeping our knee bent, keeping that same plie position. Let's do 8. So we're going to do 8. And 7, and 6. And notice I'm not pushing over 5. I'm going to kind of where I would do 4, that hop on point. 3, and 2, and 1. Let's do it again. 8, and 7, and 6, 5, you'll also feel your thigh a lot in this one. 4, and 3. We do 2, and 1. Let's switch sides, same thing. We have 8. And once again, 7, listen to your body. If it's too much too soon, just stop. 6, and 5, making sure your knee's in line. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Once again, 8, 7, and once again, we don't want to push over. I'm going to do it wrong for a second. 6, you don't want to push over the toe pads or the metatarsal of the foot. 3, it's all about strength and control here. 2, it's not a stretch. 1. And again, I'll show you what I mean. I do not need to see that. That is not what we're aiming towards. We're aiming towards the toe pad being flat on the floor. Very last ankle and calf strengthening exercise we'll do in first position. So facing your wall, bar, chair, whatever, you're going to go into a first position and you're going to do a transfer of weight. So you're going to go from one side to the next, keeping your heels nice and high, making sure that you're not lowering the heel as you transfer your weight. So let's go to our right, point our left toe, keeping the heel high for 8. And lower down through that pointed foot to our highest any point. 7. And once again. 6. Keeping the rotation. 5. And we do 4. And 3. Keeping our heels high. 2. And last one. And relax. Those are all the exercises I have for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.